and clamp it on. So let me do that real quick. Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Still. If this is your first time watching, welcome. I'm Tiffany, also known as Naturally Chic. Chic is spelled S-H-Y-C-C. Why? Because it's simply how you construct classy, but do it naturally. Today we're going to do some mannequin dressing. A lot of us are visual, and we'll have an outfit in our head. And if you're plus size, baby, if you got to change clothes like that, you'll say, forget it. So most of the time we put something on, it doesn't look right. We may do it twice, but then at that third time, it's a wrap and we give it up. But this will save us some time, some energy, some breath. So if you are that person and you are a visual shopper, visual looker, let's get into some mannequin dressing. So number one, you have to have you a good mannequin. This one I got from Amazon. I have one upstairs in my studio that is from Joann's, and because it can shape to you, the hips and all of that, that's perfect. But this is just when I wanted to get some things together that's out of my mind, this is what we do. So more often than not this year, I will be shopping my closet. Why? Because I have about 3 full closets and overflow, and it doesn't make sense for me to keep buying them. Let's shop our closet. Case in point today, I can't tell you where I got this piece from. This is a 2-piece, this leopard print. It's so cute, so airy. Can't tell you where I got it. I know I've had it for a couple of years, but I pulled it out today because I have organized my closet so that I can see. I'm visual, so that when I can see things, I can put them together. So I pulled this out, but I wanted something light. I had a t-shirt on. I took that off because it just didn't flow with the material. Then I looked at my lingerie, and this is actually a lingerie top. A lingerie top. She's a little sheer, but hey, if I was on a beach somewhere with the hubby, with the girlfriends, this is what I would wear solo. I would wear this, put on some sandals, throw some jewelry, accessories, and you got yourself a look. Shop in my closet. Shop in my closet, because this is maybe 10 years old. This, I don't know. I don't know where I got it. But if you have something like this, think about doing an outfit like this. So let's get into how we're going to dress this mannequin. So I have a newer shirt, picked it up from Shein. I really like it. Yes, she's wrinkled. I wasn't ironing. She's nice and flowy for the spring. I am loving this burgundy wine color, but I love the fact that it was cream. And I had her upstairs, and she was just hanging. And one day I looked over, and I saw this cream, I guess it's cream tan, light tan color hat. And I was like, okay, that's a perfect look. And then I thought about some pants almost this color that I have. I have cargo and like a straight legging faux leather. So I said, well, let me see how that goes. Pull out the burgundy. This is where mannequin shopping comes in. Mannequin, I don't know why I keep saying mannequin shopping. Mannequin dressing, because it eliminates me having to put everything on and then get a visual look. So we're going to grab the pants. I'm trying to see if I have somewhere to hang her. That's real quick. We'll put her right here. We're going to grab the pants, and we're going to see how this looks coming out loud. I remembered that I had these pants. I got these from Target. Either they were last year or year before, but they're nice wide leg cargo faux leather. They are lightweight, so this is perfect for the spring, okay? Perfect for the spring. Some mannequins have the legs, mine don't. So I usually have to take her off if I don't want to hit up. If you have pants, you have to do a little bit more maneuvering. this is the pants. And what I typically try to do is get some kind of clamp and clamp it on. So let me do that real quick. And I just use a little claw clamp. Hey, it works just as good for hair as it does clothes. Okay. So we put it on as best as we can. So the pants are on. Now we're going to go in with the shirt. The top, to see if the look is coming together. What you're seeing is if the look that you had in mind is going to look together here. Or if you put it together like, no, that's not coming together, then you want to tweak it. So this is the perfect time to tweak your outfit so that you don't have to put it on and usurp all that energy. So. All right. What do we think about so far? How are we liking it? Are we liking it? And I'm a hat girl. But if you wanted to just stop at this, you could actually stop at this. If you don't feel like, if you want a straighter pant, you could get a straighter pant. So I will do a look with this, and then I'll do a look with the straighter pant so we can see. But we're gonna put her together. So we're gonna grab the hat. So we grab the hat. All right, all right. And we're gonna balance her out. We're gonna do the shoes. Isn't that a cute? Can y'all see? Hope y'all can see. Let me move y'all down a little bit. Okay. Can y'all see the? Okay. I want to make sure y'all see the whole look. So we have the shoes. I'll try to put them up here so you can see it a little better. And then we have the bag. I wish she could hold it, but she can't. If I tie it up a little bit. And she doesn't have any arms. I'll try to wrap her real quick. Okay. So, what do y'all think about this look? So this is called mannequin dressing. This way, if you wanted to say, okay, I know that with this, if I leave it open, I'm going to need some kind of necklace. So let's grab us a necklace. We're going to do a chunky necklace. And this is the look. This is the look. Y'all let me know what you all think of this look. So now let's put her on and see if it gives us the same thing that it did on the mannequin. Okay, let's get into it. All put together. Up close. We have the chain on, hat. Here's the bag. As always, I hope that you all enjoyed this portion of mannequin styling. It is super simple, super easy, but it takes the guesswork out of how things are going to look on you. And it gives you time to tweak what's in your head, get you a good visual. You can take some pictures and you can batch things out. So if you're looking to do a week worth of outfits Put it together on your mannequin. Take some pictures so you know what goes with what when you're ready to style yourself. And you know if you need to tweak anything. As always, thank you all for watching. Subscribe, share, and leave a comment. Let me know what you all think about mannequin styling. And until the next video, you all take care and be blessed. Also, make sure you're following me under all social platforms, Naturally Chic. I just enjoy